Sorry for this. We are currently trying to correct the fault. We'll be with you shortly. For now, here's some music. You are watching Worldview 360. We have received reports that an unidentified entity has been detected orbiting Earth at a very close distance. Do not panic, as this is possibly alien life searching for peace. It is recommended that you should prepare for the worst outcome should the entity be hostile. Please stand. Space agencies have discovered that the entity is drifting close to Earth as the weather gets worse. There are also reports across the globe that the crust is quickly dissolving. Unfortunately, this is the final broadcast from Worldview 360. Thank you all for your viewership over the years. Goodbye. Oh crap, it's actually...